Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to change background in Canva. This is canva.com website, and first I will create a new design. Let's go with an Instagram post to get a square template. First, I will add an image, and now I will set it as a background. Now, to remove this background or change it, just click on your background image with the right button of your mouse. Select detach image from background, and you can add another image, or you can change this old background image with this new one. Instead of using or fitting your new image to the background like that, you can keep it small and select it using. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Small and select it using the right button of your mouse and set it as image, or set this image as a background. And just like that, and this is how to change your background image in Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.